In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add items to cart on EA Sports and make purchase. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your EA Sports account. And once you are here, you can browse through various items that you can purchase. If you wish to purchase a game, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and add it to cart. So you can see we have some of popular items or games here that I can add to cart. So go ahead and identify one. So if you go maybe to spring sales here, we have some of the items here that I want to add to cart and make a purchase. For instance, if I want to purchase Battlefield 1, all you need to do is to go ahead and just tap on this icon, add standard edition to cart, and this will add it to cart, and you can see it has been added. Should you want to add another one before you check out, go ahead and tap on add to cart or open it. And then once you have opened, you can see we have an option to add to cart here. I have added the second option. Now I have two items here. Now to check them out or to proceed and buy or to proceed and make a purchase, now you can just go ahead and tap on cart and you'll see all the items that you have added to cart on EA Sports. From here, go ahead and proceed to check out to complete your purchase. So here you should have your payment option selected before you can confirm your purchase. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.